guys, welcome back to the channel. Want to make a quick video to show you what it would be like to launch a Tesla. Lots of people ask about Ludicrous mode, how it compares to the different Teslas. Obviously, it's going to be the fastest. It's going to be the fastest, and quite frankly, it makes the other cars, other Teslas, if you drive them, seem a bit slow. Now, obviously, I'm not going to say that there's a justification of the price difference for the value of this acceleration, but I can say it's significant. It's noticeable against the Performance Model 3, Performance Model X even, as well as the Performance Model Y. The Ludicrous mode, specifically in the Model S, is superior and is next level in comparison. So I just wanted to give a nice quick view of what it looks like to start it up. I put the car in Ludicrous Plus mode. I've got the car charged to about 90%. It's got about 5 minutes left before the battery is prepped and heated, and then we can take off. Instead of doing the normal view, which is what I give you right here when I'm trying to focus on the instrument cluster, I'm going to give you a bit of a POV view of Ludicrous mode. Once it's ready to go, we'll get on the road. We'll do a launch from 0 to 60, go to 0 to 60 in 2.5 to 2.6 seconds, or whatever that number might be, and show you what that's like first person.